How did you first hear about Copysmith?
I was onboarding some customers here in Miami that I knew that they had service businesses. I said, hey, I'm trying out this platform. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. So when they were getting to parts where they would have to enter the descriptions for the services that they provide, they were just like, whoa, like, I don't know what I do. And it's like, I said, that's going to be a problem. And I said, that's going to be a big problem and we got to solve this. So I went out looking and I Googled, copy providers, and then I came across Copysmith. Mainly what I was looking for was an API, right? Because I didn't want to do this through a front end. Obviously, that was going to work for us. So the biggest thing that drew me to Copysmith was the API.
Oh yeah. Yeah. We had it out first in API first company. That's definitely our speed. Well, very cool.
For me, Copysmith and what it does, it creates a big wow factor. We've you should see some of these onboarding calls. People will literally start clapping and people will start like saying, oh my God, how does it do that? And it's really incredible, to really see people get wowed. So I think it's just that wow factor. It helps the onboarding process because it makes people's lives easier and they just kind of click the button. Now with the busy static prompts, aside from just having the button there, he actually tells you, hey, let me do all the work for you. Just click generate for me. And you click it and it just does it, right? So it's just it's all about the experience. I'm a big experience guy. And also on the marketing side, we'll use Copysmith to generate blogs, right? So we'll want to generate blogs for our customers. That's also part of our marketing plan. So on a weekly basis, or maybe 2 or 3 times a week, we'll see. Our system will automatically talk to your API to generate a blog and then send it to our customers for approval. What does this mean? It's, I know a company that pays thehoth.com $800 a month to do this same exact thing, which, quite frankly, is absurd.
So you're saving your customers a lot of money.
And that's our goal, right? Our goal is to use these technologies to, number one, create a great experience that will make entrepreneurship more accessible than it ever has been from a usability standpoint, and from a pricing standpoint as well.
Yeah. Well, that is super cool. Okay. What do you have to say about the quality of Copysmith's generation? Are they meeting yours and your customers' expectations? You said there's quite a wow factor there. So what does that mean in terms of quality?
There's definitely a big wow factor. For the most part, it's spot on. Every time I've used it, it's done a great job. For the most part, the content that it generates, the headlines are great. The taglines and endpoint and the product description endpoint. One of the big wow factors, not just for me, but for our customers, is being able to use the keywords and forming very cohesive copy with those keywords, right? Which I think was really a wow factor. So again, it's all about how you use the tool, right? So your API is there. Your API gives you the capability to send brand keywords and product keywords, and depending on how you use those APIs, the Copysmith system will spit out copy that really creates a consolidated and cohesive piece of copy that makes people say, wow, look, it's actually using everything that you entered previously. Isn't that cool? And it's like, yeah, it's cool. You would think it's magic, but it's just technology.
Yeah. What custom solution that you use with Copysmith that's changed your content creation process for the better?
Early on, those custom endpoints were extremely helpful because it really allowed us to achieve that wow factor we were looking for in English and Spanish, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, great. Okay. We love working with you and the Wurkzen team. Well, thanks, Rick. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.